Oobies like me. Oobies like you. Oobi's got a lot of big things that he's gonna do. Uma's his sis. He's big, she's small. Keiko is his very best friend. Grandpoo loves them all. Oh, Oobi, 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 Oobi. He's got a lot to see, he's got a lot to do, and he's always with you.
Oobi, you friends.
Oh, hi. Today, Oobi pull fire alarm. Wah, Oobi run and Oobi hide.
Okay, who pull fire alarm?
Keiko knows who pull fire alarm. Oobi pull fire alarm.
Oobi, did Oobi pull fire alarm?
Yes, Oobi pull fire alarm. Oobi is sorry. Please forgive Oobi.
Oobi, how dare Oobi pull fire alarm? That's it. Oobi go with security.
No. Oobi scared. Oobi scared. Oobi scared.
Oobi, how dare Oobi pull fire alarm at school? That's it. Oobi grounded forever and ever. Oobi sleep right now.
But Grandpoo, Oobi said he was sorry. Bail Oobi out of jail.
Nope, Grandpoo not bail Oobi out of jail. Grandpoo hope Oobi suffer in jail and hope Oobi burn in hell. Goodbye forever.